Hi, this is Raspberry Pi group number 4 and 5. Group number 4 is integrating touchscreen along with Raspberry Pi, and group number 5 is integrating Wi-Fi along with Raspberry Pi. Now here we have combined the two projects into one single Raspberry Pi board. Our aim is to transmit data from the touchscreen to the client here. The touchscreen will act as a server, and the data will get transmitted via the Wi-Fi network, and there is a dongle connected to the Raspberry Pi board, Wi-Fi dongle. Now there on the client side, we have written a Python script. This is a Python script, and if we run that Python script, then it will ask for a port number and the IP address of the server, which is our Raspberry Pi board connected with the touchscreen. Now here, as soon as I enter Python space my file name .py and hit enter, it will open a window and show connecting. This is connecting to the client side, and as soon as the client side gets connected, the actual window appears wherein we'll have to enter data. Now here, if suppose my name is Pi, city name is and here it is temperature. Now we have coded this particular graphic user interface in such a manner that if I enter any text here, then it won't accept, it will show invalid data. And if the temperature which we enter is below -30 and above 60, then it will send an error message stating that it is out of range. For example, out of range. Now suppose if I enter 34. Okay. Now in the same manner, humidity too. Now if suppose I enter the humidity as 40%, then it will accept it. In weather, we can write any text. Now here, this is a particular area wherein if I touch, then the data which I have entered will be transmitted via the Wi-Fi network to the client. For example, here, data is sent successfully on the client end. Now if suppose there is a kind of noise in between the network and the data which we sent got transmitted but then was not received correctly, then there is a CRC algorithm which we have used to detect whether the data sent by the server to the client was correct or not. We are attaching the CRC code on the transmission end, that is on the server side, along with the data itself in the last field. Now on the client side, it will check for the CRC. And if suppose the CRC code is same, then the data received is correct, and it will again transmit. The client side will again transmit to the Raspberry Pi board 1. So if suppose it has received 1, then the data was sent successfully, and if suppose it transmits 0, then the data was not sent correctly. So that shows that we'll have to that shows that you'll have to send the data again. So it will recursively send the data 5 times, and then it will show a window stating that the data sending failed, please try again. Now here we can also quit this particular system like this. Okay, now here on the client side, if suppose I make changes in such a manner that the CRC in such a manner that it will transmit 0, that means the data which was sent was incorrect. Then what will happen is that, for example, again I will start the Python script. Now we have changed the client side code in such a manner that even if the data was sent correctly, it will transmit 0, and which will indicate the server that the data was sent incorrectly, and it will continuously send it for 5 times. For example, if suppose I can start the script. Now if again I press this key, data sending failed, please try again, and there on the client side it got transmitted for 5 times, the same data.